Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Narzo 50A Prime. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. And as you can see from the homepage of Google Pay, you can add payment method and different types of cards. From the menu, you can manage all of your payment methods, check full list of participating banks, learn how to pay, and check your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC. Help and support, send feedback, and in the end we've got access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.